Hey, what's going on, YouTube family? So today we have a special guest, Twix the Poodle. Say what's up, Twix. Say hi. If you're a dog lover, make sure to check out Twix the Poodle on Instagram. I'll leave his links right here. He loves to post now and then. He posts very good content, so check it out, Twix the Poodle on Instagram. Anyhow, I've had my Model 3 for about 3 years now, and I just bought a Model Y over the summer, if you've been watching my videos, and I never used dog mode. So I figured today, why not try out dog mode and see Twix's reaction? So I'm gonna leave the cameras rolling inside and see how he reacts when I'm gone. Hopefully he doesn't scratch my vegan leather seats.
What?
Also, I'm gonna actually summon the vehicle. I'm gonna actually summon my car to me and see if he reacts any different. So it should be cool. So come with us and let's check out his reaction. All right, so I just parked. I'm gonna go grab some lunch, but I'm going to leave Twix in the vehicle. But before I leave, I'm going to enable dog mode. It is 82 degrees outside, so I'm gonna set it for about 65 degrees. So he'll be nice and cool. If you're not familiar with dog mode, what you wanna do is go into climate control. You wanna tap on dog, and voila, there you go. So Twix is gonna be nice and cool when I go outside. For those of you watching who are not familiar with dog mode, or never heard of what dog mode is, pretty much Tesla has this great feature. So when I go outside, or if you want to leave your pet inside and it's too hot outside, you can leave your AC running while you're outside and you're not endangering your pet of overheating. And I believe this works also in the winter, but a lot of people commonly use this when it's real hot outside and they can't take their dog inside and they want to keep their pets nice and cool. So with that being said, let me go grab some lunch. I'm gonna leave you guys with Twix. Let's see his reaction. I'm sure he's gonna go crazy. Hopefully he doesn't rip my vegan leathers, like I said. And I'll be right back.
Minutes later.
All right, guys, so I am back, and I could tell Twix was not a happy camper at all. I could hear him barking a mile away as I was going to get some lunch. But the most important thing is that he was in the car and he was nice and cool. It is pretty hot outside today. It's about 83 degrees. I'm in Southern California. That's how the winters are out here. Again, like I mentioned, if you're not familiar with dog mode, it's a great feature. A lot of times, people who don't own Teslas leave their pets inside their car. It's like 90 degrees outside, the windows are up, and you hear dogs barking, and you know they're suffering because they're hot. Just like you leaving a child in a car with your windows up, it could cause heat exhaustion. They could ultimately die. So this is a great feature that Tesla has. It's called dog mode. Not sure why they don't call it pet mode, because there's a lot of people that travel with their bunnies, their cats, and lizards. So maybe Tesla or Elon, you guys should reconsider naming this feature pet mode. All right, guys, that's a wrap for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. But before I let you go, check out my t-shirt. Friends don't let friends drive gas. If you like that shirt, check out fthepump.com. I'm going to leave his website right here. He has some great merch. Check it out. Also, I've had my Model 3 for about 3 years now, and it's time for a change. So I'm planning to wrap it this month. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, what color I should wrap my Model 3. And of course, we're gonna do a chrome delete as well. So stay tuned for my future videos as my car goes in for a transformation. Other than that, please share, like, consider subscribing if you haven't. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Until then, work hard but play harder. Peace.